In this video, we're going to show you how to reduce file size by removing unnecessary hatches in AutoCAD Web. As drawings become larger and more detailed, file sizes can increase significantly. Large drawing files often take longer to load, save, and edit, which can slow down your workflow and make working in AutoCAD Web less efficient. One common cause of large file sizes is excessive hatch usage. Complex hatch patterns, large hatch areas, and old hatch objects that are no longer needed can add a surprising amount of data to a drawing. Over time, a drawing may accumulate hatches that no longer serve a purpose, especially after multiple revisions and design changes. Removing these unnecessary hatches can help improve performance and make your drawing easier to manage. The good news is that AutoCAD Web includes hatch editing and deletion tools that make this cleanup process quick and simple. By the end of this video, you'll learn an easy method to remove unwanted hatches and help reduce the overall size of your drawing file. So, let's get started. The first method is to manually remove unnecessary hatches. Click on a hatch object you no longer need. Once the hatch is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard or use the Erase command. If the hatch does not delete, check whether its layer is locked. Hatches placed on locked layers cannot be modified or removed until the layer is unlocked. If you have several unnecessary hatches, repeat the process and remove only the ones that are no longer required for the drawing. Another helpful tip is to replace very dense hatch patterns with simpler hatch patterns. Complex hatch patterns contain more graphical information and can increase file size and processing time. Using a simpler hatch pattern often improves drawing performance while maintaining a clean appearance. After removing the unnecessary hatches, save the drawing and continue working with the optimized file. In most situations, these simple steps are all you need. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, select and delete hatch objects that are no longer needed in the drawing. Second, make sure the hatch layer is not locked before attempting to remove hatches. And third, replace overly complex hatch patterns with simpler alternatives when appropriate. Remember that hatch objects can contain a large amount of graphical information, especially when they cover large areas or use dense patterns. Reducing unnecessary hatches can improve performance and make drawings easier to work with. Regularly cleaning up old hatches is also a good drawing management habit. It helps keep projects organized and prevents files from becoming larger than necessary. Even small reductions in drawing complexity can make AutoCAD Web feel more responsive when opening, editing, and saving files. Taking a few minutes to review your hatch usage can improve both performance and file management over the long term. And that's how to reduce file size by removing unnecessary hatches in AutoCAD Web. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD Web. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD Web feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.